Namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. I hope you guys are doing great. Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna bring you a great project. It's called Skyrim. Okay, but before that, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your due diligence. Cryptocurrencies are very risky and you can lose all your money, right? So another thing I want to say is please subscribe to my channel. I want to grow my channel. Please follow me on Twitter and Telegram. The links are below at the description box. So please give me. I want to grow my channel. This is what I'm doing now full time. So I need your support, right? So let's get into business. And today I'm bringing you a great project. It's called Skyrim Finance, and it's going to be out on Thorstarter. So if you guys know, right, I'm big on Thor, and Thorstarter is the launchpad that has been built on the Thor chain. So their first IDO is going to be on the 31st of August, and it's going to be Skyrim Finance, and it is going to be like a reverse Dutch auction. Okay, so basically it's going to be like a starting price is going to be like $1 and the ending price is going to be like 10 cents, but from what I understand that could be changed soon. So I don't know whether they're going to stick with this or they're going to change it, but for now it's starting price $1 and ending price 10 cents. So it depends on how much you are bidding for. Like sometimes if you want to, let's say you bid for $1 and the end price comes 10 cents, right? So you get it for 10 cents. So it all depends on that day, and let's go through the project a little bit, right? So Skyrim Finance is the first multi-chain decentralized structured finance protocol for a fixed rate and leverage yield DeFi products. So they want to be a robo-advisor of the DeFi ecosystem, and in short is that there are two kinds of people. One are the risk averse and one are the one who are like to take risks. So you have a fixed rate APY, and you have a leverage APY, for the yield farming who want high leverage, right? So the objective of this whole thing, the Skyrim Finance, is to help investors of different profiles who have a risk adjusted return through fixed rate and leverage yield DeFi products. So the on-chain, so they will use this on-chain DeFi market, things like Compound, Uniswap and all that to get their yield, as well as the off-chain revenue streams like bonds, stocks, loans and real estate. And so it goes inside this finance yield pool, and this is how you get your fixed rate and leverage APY. So this will be built on Ethereum, Binance, Polkadot, so it's cross-chain, and they are looking at people. I'm sure their markets will be not only direct investors but underwriters and asset originators as well. So I'm looking at institutions as well. I think this is what they are looking at, for institutions to come in. So it has a multiple structured financial products, okay, and they use a lot of strategies to optimize yield for both APY and for leverage. And they also have this angle where it's interoperable through NFTs, right? And Skyrim Finance represents deposits and bonds using ERC721 standard NFT non-fungible tokens. So this means that users can transfer the assets between accounts and also wrap tokens to add the feature to the set, which is great, right? And token holders can propose to vote on upgrades and management of the platform. So they have two coins actually. It's a two-coin system. One is a Skyrim, which is a utility token, and one is a tranche, which is the governance token, right? So they have two. Okay, so it's like I said, it's built on ETH, BSC and Polkadot, so it's cross-chain compatible, which is important. If you're into DeFi, you must be in ETH, in Polkadot and all that. So right, so you can take a look at their white paper. I'll leave the link at the description box. So let's go to the step-by-step guide on how to take part in the IDO, right? So for the IDO, what you need to do is you need to accumulate X Rune. Okay, so you go to the Thorstarter website from the governance tab and get 100 VX Rune to participate in the sale, right? So this is the website, right? There will be a governance tab, and on that day you go and then you deposit 100 X Rune and get 100 VX Rune for that. So this is your ticket. On top of that, whatever you want to invest, so let's say you want to invest, I'll give you an example. Let's say you want to invest 1000 X Rune. one X rune right now is 52 cents. Okay, so if you want to invest 1,000 X rune, for example, 100 X rune goes to your ticket, which you can claim back after your IDO. You can unlock those, right? And then after that comes the IDO on the IDO date, where you can select the Skyrim project and deposit the balance 900 into this, right? You can deposit the balance 900 into this. Take note that you need to have a wallet, and you could use MetaMask, but I prefer to use XDeFi wallet for Rune. Okay, I just prefer that lah, you know. So then you select the IDO size, and then you select the IDO and choose the investment size. You deposit the X Rune and you receive that Skyrim tokens. Okay, so for the DAO member steps, you can read here, and I'll leave this at the link below. Okay, so you need to know, so what you need to know is that this is a reverse Dutch auction, and it starts, from what I understand, is at $1, and the end price is not 10. The end price is 10 cents. So it's a reverse auction. So it starts from 1 and all the way going down. Okay, so right, so that's what you need to know, and I think I will just leave these links below, and please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. I want to grow my channel, and if you like this content, please do subscribe, right? So thank you so much, and namaste. Please support me to grow my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.